Hi everybody, it's 3:53 and now 10 seconds on November 9th. This is mini number 2 for Strange Tales 110 and doc169. Over here are the 15 filled spots. Again, same with mini number 1. Whoever comes in first place is going to get the first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 available spots in the main. Pardon me, I've said somebody texted me for work. I apologize. Number is 15, so I'm going to randomize 15 times. There'll probably be one more mini after this one, a final mini. So there we go. 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excuse me, here's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final one. 15, spot 5. Nam wins the first 4. Frank wins the next 2. Time is 3:54 and 18.